So here's the file, right? You see it?
Right.
So what you do is you highlight like that amount of the audio file. And I usually highlight a space between me talking, because that's from my experience, that's where I hear the noise more than in the actual me talking. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So then I go up to effect, noise reduction. Then I go get noise profile.
Noise reduction. Noise profile. Okay.
And so I click on that, and it's just grab that stuff. It says, okay, if I hear anything like that in the whole thing, I'm going to get rid of it. So that's when you go and highlight the whole thing, go back to effect, noise reduction, and then click OK. And when you do that, now that the whole clip is highlighted, the program is going to extract that whatever sound, hum, any little thing from the whole thing. So then you click OK.
So you just did the whole thing, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.